from Chevy Chase.
Welcome back. It's time for our Wednesday Wisdom, and today we're focusing on what to know if you have a teen driver at home.
Today's Wednesday Wisdom is sponsored by Peterson Law Office.
Teen driving brings freedom and some serious responsibility. Joining us, we have attorney Wisdom-Peterson with quick, practical advice on teen driving safety and exactly what teens should know if they're ever involved in an accident. God forbid.
Oh, my goodness.
Yes. So I have a bonus daughter who is newly licensed.
Wonderful.
And I remember when my boys got their license, it is a very nerve-wracking time for us parents. You're not there yet, Justin.
I got 4, and I just hope they never get to drive.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
But talk to us about what we need to equip our teens with before they get behind the wheel.
Sure. Number one is insurance. So one of the big calls I get is my son or daughter, they were involved in an accident, they're not at fault, and then they find out we didn't add them to our insurance policy. So life gets at you fast. Sometimes people forget those things. So that's number one. Make sure you add them, because when you go get your insurance policy, you're checking a box as to whether or not someone under the age of 18 is either permitted or licensed that lives in your household. And if you don't go change that with your agent or your insurance company, then they're going to say no insurance, folks. So that's number one. Make sure we do that. And then obviously the training, you know, make sure they're being trained. We have the new law that lets kids start driving now at 15, which is just amazing to me. I know at 15 I would have loved that. You know,
that's what we did back in the day.
Yeah.
Old school.
Right. And so, you know, it's just all about training, but make sure they're insured correctly. As long as they're trained correctly, you know, I think hopefully everything will be fine.
Well, I have a funny story for you.
Okay.
So when I was 16, I know, I got in an accident, unfortunately. I rear-ended somebody, and the police showed up, and I jumped out of the car and
ran.
Well, no. I mean, it might have been worse, because the police asked me, they were like, what happened here? I was like, well, I was putting on lipstick in the rearview mirror, officer. And then I was like, so my parents showed up to the scene. They were like,
good parents.
And, you know, I was very honest.
Okay.
But I'm sure you have better advice for parents to coach their kids on what to do in case they get in an accident.
Take the phone down. You know, there's softwares we can put on phones now that shuts it down when you turn the car on. Get that software. I'm going to have it for my children once they get to that age. You know, the devices are the biggest distraction. They're distraction for homework. They're distraction for parents giving you instruction. They're distractions for everything. So 100% they're distraction in the car. And the data about motor vehicle accidents throughout the United States are wildly in favor of the fact that people are distracted by their devices. And so that's the number one thing.
Or lipstick. You might take that lipstick away too.
I mean, maybe lipstick too. I haven't seen numbers on that though. I don't want to say you're the only person, but
I'm sure she's not.
No.
So if our teens call us, they're panicked, oh my gosh, I just got in an accident, what's the first thing we should tell them?
Well, first off, try to document the scene. You know, a wonderful lady here in town, her son was in a horrible accident the other day. People were ejected from the vehicle, and she actually called me at midnight when they were at the hospital. And so, number one, make sure they're okay. Make sure that 911 has been called. Make sure, if they're able to, document the scene, you know, talk to witnesses, take photos, and then just give us a call, because for her, you know, it was I think it was closer to 1 a.m. You know, we got up, I talked her through it. It's a very stressful situation. It's the one call you never want to get in the middle of the night, is that your child's been involved in a serious accident. And so, you know, call us. We're open 24/7. We're here to help and provide you that advice at that time. So.
And then one more question, because some of our kids, once they're teenagers, they go off to college, but they're still young, and they go out of state. So is there any advice around
100%. You need to look at those in-state driving rules, because it's going to change policy limits a lot of times. Your Kentucky policy will still be okay out of state. There's still going to be insurance, including any permissive users, because when our kids go off to college, you know, other people may be driving that vehicle, and so permissive users are often always covered by insurance as well. But you definitely want to check and make sure you're complying with the minimum limits of those states, for sure. Let your agent know. They can help you with that. They can put a rider on your policy if necessary, saying you're going to be in another state. But if you don't do that, it is very, very likely that your coverage will be fine.
Okay. Always great information. When's the baby coming?
Hopefully not soon. It's supposed to be at the end of January, but we will see. We will see.
Very exciting. Well, don't blink, because pretty soon Junior's going to be behind the wheel of a car.
Yeah, that's right.
All right, we're going to have all of Wisdom-Peterson's information up on the screen. All right, up next, we all need a little help during the holidays, and we are going to talk with Missy Ammerman, a licensed therapist and life coach who helps couples and individuals break through relationship struggles and everyday life issues, and she even helped us.
Yes, she did.
Yeah.